Hey everyone, my name is Nenad and welcome back to another video. And today we're going over what you can get for rent here in San Diego between $2,000 and $4,000 a month. And this has been part 3 of my mini series that I've been doing on this channel. So if you want to see a couple of the other videos, I'll link one right up above here. But before we get into the video, I just want to share a quick number with you guys. So you'll see here that the median rent for an apartment here in San Diego for a 1-bedroom is $2,400 a month. And if we switch that to a 2-bedroom, we're looking at $3,200 a month. And all the way up to a 3-bedroom, you're looking at about $4,000 a month. And we've seen rents really increase the last couple of years. The average increase was about 20%. So that's pretty much been everywhere across the country, and San Diego is no different. So why don't we jump in and see kind of what we can find. And I'm doing this on the fly with you guys, so I haven't seen any of these apartments. And we'll go through basically a few different areas. So this is basically San Diego County here. And I'll jump around from South San Diego all the way up to North, just so you can kind of see the price difference and what you can get. And I'll do a couple in each area just so this video doesn't get too long. So why don't we start from $2,000 a month to $3,000 and see what we can find. So let's start off in downtown San Diego. When most people think of San Diego, this is kind of the general area that they're thinking of. So let's go straight to downtown, which is this area here. Oops. And so we're looking at, again, $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And most of the apartments you're going to find in this price range are going to be here in East Village. So why don't we see what we can find. This is Petco Park right here. This is Gaslamp area. So this is where all your kind of nightlife is, all your restaurants, and things like that. So why don't we see, how about this one here? $2,800. $2,750 for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 726 square feet. So this one is just down the street from Petco Park, and it's kind of got like that industrial feel to it. And, you know, it's decent inside. 726 square feet is a pretty good size. It's one of the larger ones you'll probably find. It does have a balcony kind of out in here. It doesn't have a view of Petco Park, so we'll try to find one that does later on in the video. It does have washer and dryer, which is always a plus. And the bathroom is decent. So the place isn't super renovated. I'm not a big fan of all these like colorful walls and things like that, but it's a good location. You're not too far from, you're a few blocks from kind of everything you want to be close to. So that one's $2,750, 1-bedroom, 1-bath at 726 square feet. Let's kind of do one more. Let's see if we can find something up here in Little Italy. So if you go north into this area here, this is Little Italy, which I personally, if I was to live in this area, I would like to live around here. So why don't we go, let's do this one. So $2,715, you're going to get a studio at 593 square feet. So not even a 1-bedroom. This is one of the newer buildings that they just completed. And, you know, just so you know, these pictures most likely are not of the actual apartment. So these are probably way more expensive, but it is obviously newer. And so this looks like it would probably be the setup for the studio. So pretty small kitchen. I mean, at 593 square feet, it's not going to be that big. But they do have, you know, great views of the bay here. You also have kind of a hangout spot up here. You got barbecue, just to, you know, kind of relax. And this is a view of the outdoor of the building. So right next to the train tracks, it will get a little bit loud here, but you are literally 1 block away from the water. So great location here. Why don't we go ahead and move up north a little bit. So depending on your age range, I would say if you're between, you know, 21 and, you know, kind of late 20s, you know, maybe 30, I would check out maybe Pacific Beach. Most of these apartments are going to be a lot older, and the nightlife is pretty good out here. There's a lot of mostly bars out in this area right off of Grand Avenue. But yeah, you're probably not going to want to live here if you're in your 30s or beyond, just because it does get a little bit crazy, and most of the people living here are kind of in that younger demographic. So let's see, 2,300 for a studio, 400 square feet. So a little bit pricey on this one, to be honest. It does look like they renovated it a little bit. I can't tell if maybe it's actually a 1-bedroom. I don't know if these are the exact pictures of the unit, but it's not terrible. It looks like they did some upgrading. Just one thing to think about though with these older buildings is they typically don't have AC. So that's something to keep in mind. So 2,300 for a studio and 400 square feet. Let's see if we can do one more kind of in this area. Let's do this one. So again, 2,400, 1 bed, 1 bath, 410 square feet. I mean, this one is, kind of your standard apartment, nothing special about it at all. This one most definitely doesn't have AC. You have a little bit of a yard, older building, but $2,395, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 400 square feet. And I don't know if I would go for that one. It's a little bit farther away from kind of where I would prefer to be. So let's zoom out of that's Pacific Beach. Let's go up a little bit higher. So now we're going up kind of more towards North County, San Diego. So this is off the 5 freeway. You're going to go Del Mar, Solana Beach, Encinitas, all the way up to Carlsbad, and then Oceanside. So let's check out Carlsbad because we're probably going to find a little bit more there for this price range. So let's do this one here. This one's $2,495, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 500 square feet. And, a couple of blocks from the beach, right in the middle of the 5 and kind of the ocean here. So Carlsbad is a bit of a mixed demographic. I would say mostly kind of family oriented. So it's not too crazy busy, not too rowdy or anything. It's more quiet and relaxed, that's for sure. Let's check out this one. So it seems okay. Unit A, so it's probably in maybe a 4-plex here. It does have a mini split, so you got AC and heating. Looks like they did upgrade the flooring. The sliding doors are new. The windows are new. So they did some work on this one. And so yeah, you got 5 units here. So it's $2,495, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 500 square feet. Let's do one more. Let's check out this one. So $2,550, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 700 square feet. This one is a lot older. Most of the buildings are going to be kind of this age around here, especially more towards the water. So this one, it has not really been upgraded. No recessed lighting. Just your average kind of apartment. The kitchen seems really small. And the bathrooms, nothing too crazy, nothing special about this one. That's $2,550 for 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 700 square feet. So that's pretty much the price range for $2,000 to $3,000. Let's bump it up to $3,000, and let's go to $4,000, which is going to be our top range. And let's see. So quite a few more popped up. So that's kind of the range you're going to be looking at. To be honest, anything probably $2,500 and higher is what you're going to be expecting to pay for, apartments these days around here. So why don't we go back to the downtown area? Let's jump into Little Italy one more time just because I really love it there. So let's do this one. This one's $3,950, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,000 square feet. So this one is right off of California Street, so right next to the water. And, it looks decent. It's not bad. You're getting pretty good square footage at 1,000 square feet. It is $39.50 though a month, so it's a little bit pricey. And, it's just your standard apartment, nothing too, it's, average. And you do get a washer and dryer, so I like that. Any place that has a washer and dryer is a plus for me. So that's $39.50, 2-bed, 2-bath. Let's try to do one more out in Little Italy area. Let's do this one. $3,900, 1-bed, 1-bath, 700 square feet. This one, I don't know. Not really feeling this one at all. This one seems to me to be a little bit overpriced. I don't think I would go for that one. Let's go back down into kind of the gas lamp area. Let's see, $4,000 here. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 850 square feet with a view of Petco Park. So you'll see Petco Park is right here. You can basically watch all the baseball games from your apartment. They do have a gym. Again, your standard kind of place. I like the location of this one just because you're so close. One thing to kind of beware of is during baseball season when there are home games, there's a ton of traffic around here. So you probably won't want to do, you can drive around, but you're not going to find any street parking or anything like that. So that one was $4,000. So little expensive kind of for what you're getting. Why don't we go out a little bit north again? Let's go to kind of La Jolla University City area. So let's do this one. 3665, 1-bed, 1-bath, 908 square feet. So this is one of the newer buildings that they just finished. I love this outside area. Super modern. The building's called Lux, and they have this kind of red theme. So you get great views from up here. I like the inside. It looks, a lot of times these pictures look really good, but when you go, see the place in person, you can tell that the materials aren't, the most quality materials, but they look good. So a couple of different styles. You'll see this is a different kitchen than the last one we saw. A nice lobby area. The gym could honestly be a little bit better. And you're right next to Westfield Mall here, and then they just finished building this tram, which takes you from basically La Jolla all the way east to the east part of San Diego. So again, probably could have done a little bit better with the gym. But let's see, that one was 3665, 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So that one is in La Jolla. Let's try to do one more over here because because we haven't looked. Let's do this one. $3,050 for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 687 square feet. So it does look like it's an older building, but they did upgrade it. So yeah, it looks like they did quite a few upgrades. You have washer and dryer. The gym looks decent. Pool area. You have a grooming station, a wash station for any pets. And that one, I really like this. I like how they include, or you have space for bikes, surfboards, and the gym again. So that one is $3,050, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 687 square feet. This is a good location, though. You're really close to pretty much everything. It'll only take you 10, 15 minutes kind of to jump around to any part of the city. Let's go out to Encinitas. So Encinitas is probably one of my favorite towns here in San Diego. You got a good mix of, families and, people in their 20s and 30s. Down here on Coast Highway, you have a lot of good restaurants, a little bit of nightlife, and you're super close to the beach here. So let's see what $3,000 a month gets you. So 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 400 square feet. So really small place. Probably only enough room for one person here. But this is the main thing. So you're a block away from the beach. I mean, it does not get much better than that. But you'll see that it is a lot older and smaller, and it's, $3,000 a month. It's quite a bit of money. Why don't we zoom out and see if we can find anything. Let's go a little bit more inland. So let's go off of La Costa. Let's see what 4,000 gets you. So 4,000 gets you a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,600 square feet. So this is someone's townhome or condo, townhouse. And, it's decent. It's not bad. But if you're looking for, if a 3-bedroom's a must, I would definitely try to stick more in this area here. You're more likely to find something like that, especially in this price range. Let's do, so another one. So $4,000, just like this said, $4,000, 3-bedroom. That's kind of what you're getting. But, they're not going to be super upgraded or the nicest, apartments or townhomes. And let's do one more. We're up basically in the most northern part of San Diego. Actually, let's do Oceanside. Oceanside, we haven't looked there. This is the northernmost beach city in San Diego. So let's do Oceanside. Let's do this one, like really close to the water. 3,400, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, it's just an average looking apartment, but you're literally 1 block away from the water. So if that's important to you, this is pretty much what you're going to find along the coast. Most of them are going to be older, and most of them are going to be, not have AC, things like that. Probably not have washer and dryer, so keep that in mind. And yeah, guys, I just want to keep this video short. I hope that gave you a good idea of kind of the different cities and what they have to offer here. If you have any specific questions on different areas you're thinking about, drop a comment down below and I will definitely make sure to get back to you. And of course, if you guys got any value out of this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And, thank you for watching. And of course, I'll see you guys next time.